With everything that's going on, I hope you guys are staying safe and practicing good hygiene. Don't forget to spray Lysol on your toilet flushers, your door handles, clean your remote controls, your cabinet door handles, wash your hands, and also clean your refrigerator door and light switches. So with that being said, I hope you guys stay safe and I hope you enjoyed this video. So let's start. I'm going to unbox my throw pillows that I ordered on Wayfair. Hopefully it's what I want and what I like. Online it looks good, but in person, you never know. So I just wanted to change up a few cushions on my couch, so hopefully I'm gonna like these. I don't know yet, so let's unbox. So I ordered 2 sets of cushions, one black and one dark brown. So when I opened the box, I saw that the black was exactly what I ordered, but then the brown is actually green. I thought it was dark brown, but it came out green, and that's exactly what I'm talking about when I say, you know, when you order something online, is it going to be what you expect? Sometimes I guess not. So I'm going to try to make this work. We'll see if I like it or not. So let's jump into the kitchen real quick. Today I'm cooking curry chicken. It's Saturday. The kids are hungry. Everyone is hungry. My mother, everyone. So I decided to cook some curry chicken. It's everyone's favorite curry chicken. So I want to show you guys my new garbage can. I got this from Wayfair. I needed a new garbage can because my other garbage can started to leak. It's old. I believe I've had it for like 10 years. Over 10 years, so you know, it had its useful life. So I decided to order this gorgeous garbage can. I know I'm calling a garbage can gorgeous, but this one is absolutely divine. It's called Simple Human and it's 12.5 gallon. My other one was 13, but I think 12.5 is pretty decent. It's big enough. It's just half a gallon less. But it comes with garbage bags that you could use that's custom made for this can. But I love it. It comes in stainless steel, white, rose gold, and black. I decided to go with the white because it's easier to keep clean. My black garbage can would show, you know, lots of stain and dirt, and it was just disgusting. I think the white is more sanitary. And here you see you could auto deliver these Simple Human bags on their app. And also the bottom of the can, it's actually curved, so it's easier to clean it and whenever there's a spill from the bag, if it breaks, and it's much easier to clean and wash. So I highly recommend this garbage can, and of course I'll place a link down below in the description box where you could purchase your very own. As you guys could see here, it's so easy just to pull the bag out and take out the garbage, or you could take it out and put it back. But as you can see, the bag is custom made for this pail, and all you have to do is just open the lid and just drape the bag on the sides, and it's soft closed, which is pretty neat. I love it. So now we're on to the cleaning. Before I redecorate my living room, I'm gonna wipe down this mirror because this mirror is really disgusting and it's so hard to clean with all the crevices. You gotta get it in between there. I might just change this mirror because I've had it for maybe 5 years now. So let's clean up this living room so we could place the cushions and make it nice and cozy. I decided to remove the cushions and vacuum in between and underneath to get some of the dirt from inside the couch and to make it feel nice and fresh again. You know what? I should have sprayed it. I forgot to spray some Febreze on there, but don't forget to spray your couch with some Febreze to keep it smelling fresh. I also decided to move my bar cart from the dining room and put it back here. And I also moved the pineapple from the bottom, and also took the pineapple that was in my kitchen and placed it here as well. I just wanted to refresh the space a little bit. So here I'm gonna put the decorative plate that I had on my bar cart in this space, and also I have some coasters that are silver and white I place in this place as well. I'm not too sure if I'm gonna keep it looking like this. I'm just feeling it out. I think for some reason I'm going for more darker pieces, something with color. I'm kind of, you know, moving away from everything white. So now we're moving on to the pillows. I fluffed the cushions, and now I'm gonna place the new throw pillows that I purchased. Actually, these cushions are 26 inches, which is the perfect size for my couch because my couch is pretty deep and huge, and I also love huge pillows. So these pillows are the perfect size. I was looking for very large pillows, and these are 26 inches. So if you guys are interested in these pillows, I will place a link in the description box down below so you could purchase your very own. So this is the after. This is my living room. It feels different. It feels nice and cozy. I love the dark pillows. It kind of, you know, bring the room in a little bit with the lighter cushions. With my gray cushions that I had before, the living room felt a little too light for me. So I believe bringing in darker cushions kind of brought the room in, made it a little bit more cozy and intimate. I love these cushions. It's like a velvet type material. I love it. Here is the decorative plate, not a saucer plate. I don't know what I'm thinking. But this is the decorative plate that I put in this corner. Like I said, I'm still not sure. I'm gonna keep it here for now. If I see something different, I might place it there. This white pineapple, if I see the black version, I will purchase it, or I might spray it, but it works for now. So I'm pretty happy with how my living room turned out. As usual, it's gonna, you know, transition and change over time, but I'm loving it. I'm feeling it. I love the color, you know, the deep dark. It's a vibe, and I'm feeling the vibe right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check me out on my other videos. You know, check out my channel, subscribe, like, do all that good stuff. Be safe, stay well, and I see you guys.